After the Pahalgam terror attack, several Pakistani celebrities faced an unexpected fallout. Their Instagram accounts were blocked in India, from Hania Amir to Mahira Khan and names like Ali Zafar. Indian users trying to access their profiles are now met with a message that reads, "Accounts not available in India." This is because we compiled with a legal request to restrict this content. And amidst this tense digital crackdown, Hania Amir found herself in the middle of a social media storm. Not for something she said, but for something she never did. A viral fake quote started doing the rounds online, falsely claiming Hania Amir had made a statement urging PM Narendra Modi to reverse the ban on Pakistani artists and lift the restrictions on their Instagram accounts. But now, Hania has broken her silence. Though her account isn't visible in India, her statement has found its way into the digital world. In a post, she set the record straight. Recently, a statement has been falsely attributed to me and is being widely circulated on social media. I did not make this statement and I do not endorse or align with the words being linked to me. It is entirely fabricated and misrepresent who I am and what I believe. She didn't stop there. Speaking from a place of empathy and sincerity, Hania added, "That being said, this is a deeply sensitive and emotional time. My heart goes out to the innocent lives lost and the families affected by the recent tragedy. Pain like this is real and it deserves empathy, not politicization." She reminded her followers that assigning blame without proof only deepens divides and called for compassion, truth, and healing in difficult times like this. So, in a heartful message to her fans, Hania said, "To my beloved supporters, your love means everything to me. I kindly ask everyone to check the truth before sharing and to approach these difficult times with kindness and clarity. Let us honor those impacted by choosing empathy, truth, and togetherness. I remain committed to spreading positivity and respect in all that I do, with sincere condolences and hope for peace." As the digital boundaries hardened and misunderstandings spread faster than facts, Hania's message is a reminder of something simple yet powerful. In times of pain, and kindness still matters. But here's the big question. In today's hyper-connected world, where a fake quote can go viral in seconds and political decisions impact artistic expression, are we letting fear and anger drown out empathy and truth? What do you think on this? Do let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more updates.